planning a date is a lot of pressure. I really hope he likes hosting.
I am the Bali ka bakra for the date today.
Okay, now let's just... Oh, Mom. So we're in the washroom.
Mama, मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. Hi guys, this is Aisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To someone who's new here, hi guys, this is Aisha.
Hi guys, I'm Tanisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for people new here. Hi, I'm Tanisha. I'm like laughing right now because I said consistency in the start of 2022 and this is just like funny, but I actually first off would want to say that we hit 1 lakh subscribers on YouTube. We did that. It's been a long while since I've been on YouTube, so it's just like very like, you know, what happened. I'm really grateful, and that is why I was like, you know what, I have 1 lakh people watching me, I have to give them content. I'm back, and I'm back with one of the series that just like I think was the best. Like I feel everybody really liked that, but that series was a twist. So I don't know how many of y'all remember, but a while ago my brother, my Muh Bola Bhai Abbas, took me out on a date and it was so much fun. It was literally so much fun for me to shoot, to edit, and a lot of y'all really enjoyed it, and for a long while y'all want another episode of it. But I decided to add a twist to it. Instead of making my friends or whoever it is take me on a date, I decided to take them on a date. And especially considering it's February, the month of love, you know, why not express my love to the people who are closest to me? So the first person I'm gonna be taking out in the month of February is one of my close college friends, Vidur Dhar. Let's get into a backstory with Vidur. I know Vidur for more than a year now. Like we both knew of each other. We were working together in a committee for college, and I dropped out of the committee unfortunately because of my work and stuff. Recently, we had the college event and the college fest, and I got back into it, and Vidur and I started talking a bit more. He's also a little bit into content creation, and he's one of my closest college friends, and I'm so grateful to have him. He's like heard 1,000 rants from me, and we've had like a lot of memories in these 6 months. So on to the prep for the date. I am taking him out tomorrow, so before that of course I had to decide what to do, and I've realized that planning a date is a lot of pressure. It is not easy. Number one thing that I kept in mind is what would Vidur like to do. I had this great idea that I would take him for a movie that he wanted to watch for a really long time, which he hadn't watched because of all the work that he had to do. I was like this close to booking tickets for tomorrow, and then out of the blue I get a text from him showing me like a picture of like him watching the movie, and I was just like, are you kidding me? This gave me a huge lesson that always do your research. Now Vidur does not have any idea of what is happening tomorrow. I do, so let me tell you what I've planned for him. Vidur as a person is very sweet, very nice, and he is also very creative. He loves doing like creative stuff. I found this page a while back called Just Little Things on Instagram. They sell like DIY tie-dye kits. It would be really fun for both of us to do together, because I know it's gonna be very chaotic because we both are chaotic that way, and I feel doing something which we do not have any idea about would end up being a fun experience. I'm not giving him any information about tomorrow, and he's like very not so happy about it. I don't think he likes that, but whatever, we don't care. I mean, we do, but we don't. So yeah, I can't wait for tomorrow. I really hope he likes this whole thing. I mean, he kind of has to, but if he doesn't, it'll be really sad.
So my name is Vidur, and I am the Bali ka bakra for the date today. But I guess there's a lot of pressure on this one because I have already been taken out on dates, and I have taken people out on dates, so I know the good and a bad date is. Hope this is a good one. If not, I won't tell her obviously. I am genuinely not sure where we are going because she was supposed to take me out for a movie, and you know where it went. I think we might end up cooking or something, but let's just save it for later, and I hope it goes well. I am scared for myself more than anything, but let's go.
Okay, hi, good morning. It's date day. I think you can see it, like the nervousness really is flowing out of me right now. It's my first time planning a whole date. Like, a little nervous, like thinking, okay, will they like it or not? And I know that it's like Vidur, okay? And I know that. But he's still like a great friend and I do not want to like, you know, waste his entire day just to shoot a video with me. You know what? I'm kind of excited. I really want to see how this goes. And yeah, I'm just gonna pack up my stuff and see you there. Okay guys, so I'm here at the apartment or room. We're gonna be shooting right here. 12:38 right now. Vidar should be here by 1:15. I feel 1:15 is gonna be like kind of like late for lunch anyway, but that's why I've decided we'll do lunch first. When I came to ordering food, I did not know what to get him, okay? So I thought I'd reach out to his like really close friends and I asked them, you know, what do you think Vidar would want to have? And they said chole bhature. I guess we're just gonna do chole bhature because he stays in Mumbai, he stays far away from his family, and like, you know, that Indian homemade kind of food would probably do good for him. I don't know. So I'm gonna order that. I'm also gonna order pizza because I'm in the mood for pizza, and I'm gonna order a little dessert because he loves chocolate. That's one thing I know about him, is that he loves chocolate. Food box number 1. My pizza is here, and that's the last package. Brownie, you've got the pizza, and you've got the chole bhature. It's like a proper meal. A very cute thing happened right now, and I thought I should vlog it. I asked Vidar where he was because he's late, okay? And I'm just texting him like, Vidar, like, you're late, it's -10 for you. And then he says, the flower guy in my area is closed. He was getting me flowers. He's here.
Hi,
That's
guys.
him. No flowers.
Oh, no flowers. Yes.
How scared are you on a scale of 1 to 10?
100.
I'm not gonna like kill you or something.
I'm not sure.
First, come here. First,
Guys, let me fix my hair.
are you done? Are you
You're
ready?
so tiny. The angle
I'm
is so
sorry, I'm small. We're doing something today. I'm still not gonna tell you. But first, because it's like very late, we're gonna have food. Sit down. So, for lunch today, we have...
bad. Brownie points for brownies.
Okay, are you gonna keep giving me points? Because now I realize how rude that is. And I do that.
Yes.
I asked your favorite food,
Ah.
and because you've been eating pizzas for 2
Yeah,
days, I
yeah.
didn't want to order pizza.
Yeah.
So I got you chole bhature.
Oh.
Because I wanted to have pizza, we have pizza also as an option. Okay, now let's just watch. Okay, Vidar, can you get back to the video?
Yes.
So we ate lunch, and what are your thoughts on lunch? Stop.
It was so different. क्या बोलूँ मैं? Never had chole bhature in life.
Can you be nice? If I got you chole bhature
It
instead
was
of getting
genuinely
something
nice. It was
mainstream.
genuinely nice. Thank you, Siley.
निकाल ले तुझे, निकाल ले, ऐसे बाहर निकाल। I'm not asking the question once again.
Yeah.
But basically, the lunch was great.
Yeah, the lunch was amazing. I had. What do I say about lunch, man? It was good. Lunch was
Okay,
amazing.
wait, I was,
Yeah.
but okay, so let's just move on because we're just very bad at this.
Bad at moving on.
Yes. Now we're gonna do an activity which you guys already know about.
Oh, they know?
Yeah.
Achha, हाँ, of course they know. Yeah. Sorry. Not a YouTube.
You know, Vidar, what I want you to do is stand up. Now what I want you to do is turn around and open that cupboard.
आएगा तो नहीं.
Pick that up.
Oh!
So me being me, recorded everything in slow-mo. And
Excellent. Yeah.
so basically we're taping the floor with trash bags because we're going to be doing tie-dye and we do not want to ruin someone's floor. In sync. Okay. You were supposed to do that. So just little things right here sent us this beautiful gift. Okay.
Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is Tie Dye Club by Just Little
Things.
Oh, Little Things. Okay, one more thing.
No.
YouTube channel. So this is Tie Dye Club by Just Little Things, and they have sent us instruction card is also there. Very cute.
Which is very necessary.
So no, I will say now. So we have.
The entire conclusion of this is that Just Little Things sent us a tie-dye kits. Given us both like t-shirts, and they've also given us like hand gloves and all of the stuff that you need to do tie-dye. So thank you so much for sending your kit. And yeah, we're just gonna experiment shit out of it. Like,
Just to let you know, instructions पढ़ लेने चाहिए थे. Give the. Very nice. करो. She's a pilot. Great.
we're gonna soak the t-shirt and the mask
We need salt.
in the bucket with salt.
Bucket?
Let's go.
You go.
Get up! So we're in the washroom. Come down.
Yo. Wow, very warm it is. You warm. मैं मार पारूँ
नहीं,
सारा
नहीं।
मेकअप निकल जाएगा तुम्हारा.
Mala.
चिल्ला मत चढ़े.
He's mad. So we've already put the salt in and now it's water. अब इसको 5 minutes के अंदर रखना है. तो अभी हम लोग क्या बाथरूम में बैठ के चिल करेंगे.
Yo guys.
बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
It's literally fun to sit next to the party during a date.
He's only doing everything voluntarily. I did not say.
Yeah. जीते कट देना बाद में.
Okay भैया.
आज जिम जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
बड़ा तुम जिम जाते हो.
I run at least.
Yeah, that's
Life
your
से
problem.
भाग.
Okay, we've got it all. Now we're gonna go to our next location and finish it with the tie-dye.
मम्मा मैं पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ कॉलेज में.
Sorry, auntie. 1, 2, 3, sink. Okay. अरे इसमें भी पानी भरना है. पूरा पानी का बॉटल. Do not drop it, do not drop it, do not drop it. You mad?
अरे नहीं गिरेगा, पागल हो क्या?
तुम ये वाला लिख जाओ.
नहीं. वो अच्छा है लिख.
That is his t-shirt and his mask, and this is my t-shirt and my mask. Like, relate your tie-dye experience.
Yeah, it was fun.
It's fun.
I mean,
It's a good date idea.
थोड़ा वो करना था. If anyone is taking anybody for tie-dye, thoda make sure you have salt, you have lukewarm water.
Yeah, make sure that you
Prepared.
know.
You're
Yeah.
prepared.
Don't be me. Like I think I was prepared. For a good
She's
part.
she forgets thoda.
Okay, hi guys. So we are done with our tie-dye thing for the date, and it was fun.
Was it?
It was fun.
Was it? It was fun. It was fun.
Thank you. Okay, but yeah, that was it for the date video. Both of our t-shirts are gonna take a good while, so we're just gonna insert pictures and videos of us in the t-shirts. But yeah, that's it for the video. What did you think about the date?
It was fun. It was cute. It was like a normal day only. हम लोग ऐसे ही chill करते रहते हैं. बस just वो बीच में 2 activities कर लिया हमने. But
So you appreciate that,
yeah, I
right?
appreciate that. Yeah. Obviously, I appreciate that. It was fun. I recommend the tie-dye. Just remember to be prepared.
Unlike me, been on other dates,
Yeah.
right? So what would you change about this date? Number one, and what would you rate it?
change.
I know there's a lot you want to change.
Yeah, obviously.
Come on, leave right now. What would you rate the date?
Can we skip to the good part?
Shut up! Can you
Out of 10, na?
हाँ
8.
ठीक है. It's fine. It was my first time planning a date, and it was. I don't know. What you guys think? What would you guys, do on a date with your bestie?
I have a lot to answer, huh?
We will. Do you all want Vidur to take me out on a date because he's flaunting his skills so much?
Yeah.
Do you all want Vidur to
Do
take
you
me out
want
on a
me
date?
to? Because trust me, it would be fun.
Down below also comment like what did you think about the date, and if you like this video, because I have many more people that I would love to take on a date for the sorry you aren't special. I would love to take a lot
तुम्हारे
of
पास
my
friends कहाँ है?
अच्छे हैं यार,
अच्छा,
बहुत
अच्छा.
हैं. So I would love to take my other friends also out on a date and just treat them all. So let me know if you like the series and let me know if you want more of it and what I should change, what I can do to make it better. I would love to know.
Yeah.
And once again, thank you so much for 1 lakh
Hashtag
subscribers.
justice for Vidura.
What justice you want? One whole day I'm spending with you. Be grateful. Yeah, thank you so much. We've hit 1 lakh. Yay! On YouTube. And I cannot wait for my silver play button. But thank you so much for watching it till here. I really hope you like this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And I will see you soon.
Yes,
right
guys.
here.
Tanisha signing off.
See you soon. Bye. I want to do it. Bye.